Okay. Very good evening to all my dear students. So today is the last class for the Maternity Benefit Act. Okay. So here today we are going to do amendment, the most important amendment done in the Maternity Benefit Act. The clause actually we have already read it, but today I'm going to tell you according to the amendments. Okay. So let me do the full screen. Just a minute. Yeah. So, the Maternity Amendment Bill 2017, an amendment to the Maternity Benefit Act 1961, was passed in Rajya Sabha on 11th August 2016 and in Lok Sabha on 9th March 2017. ये सबसे बड़ा अमेंडमेंट था मैटरनिटी बेनिफिट में, जिससे वुमेन को बहुत अच्छा फैसिलिटी मिला है. ठीक है, हमने ये जो भी फैसिलिटीज है वी हैव ऑलरेडी रेड इट, सो टुडे वी विल जस्ट गो थ्रू इट. ओके. सो ये हुआ था 11th अगस्त 2016 को राज्यसभा में पास एंड 9th मार्च 2017 में लोकसभा में, एंड इट रिसीव्ड एन असेंट फ्रॉम द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया ऑन 27th मार्च 2017 और इसका कमेंसमेंट हुआ 1st अप्रैल 2017 में. ठीक है. सो क्या क्या चेंजेस हुआ है ये आप देखो. दिस एक्ट में बी कॉल्ड द मैटरनिटी बेनिफिट अमेंडमेंट एक्ट 2017. और सबसे मेन अमेंडमेंट हुआ था कि जो हमने मैटरनिटी बेनिफिट में कमीशनिंग मदर पढ़ा था, कमीशनिंग मदर, जिसका मतलब क्या है, हु इज अ कमीशनिंग मदर? शी इज अ बायोलॉजिकल मदर हु यूजेस हर एम्ब्रॉयो और एग to create an embryo implanted in any other woman, जिसके अपने फिजिकल हेल्थ में कोई प्रॉब्लम की वजह से what she is doing is she is sharing the egg to some others other woman's womb. ठीक है. तो ये जो क्लॉज है ये सेक्शन 3 में कब इंसर्ट हुआ था? ये आफ्टर द अमेंडमेंट ऑफ 2017. इससे पहले ये कोई टॉपिक नहीं था. कमीशनिंग मदर वाज नॉट इनटू एग्जिस्टेंस बिफोर 2017. ये आप कब से पढ़ रहे हो? आफ्टर द अमेंडमेंट ऑफ 2017. द फर्स्ट थिंग इज दिस. Now, the second one is the Maternity Benefit Amendment Act 2017 has increased the duration of paid maternity leave available for women employees to 26 weeks from 12 weeks. ये हमने ऑलरेडी पढ़ा है कि 12 वीक्स से अब 26 वीक्स हो गया है. बट यहाँ पे दो डिफरेंट चीजें हैं. अगर आपके 2 चिल्ड्रन से ज्यादा एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो, इफ यू ऑलरेडी हैव 2 चिल्ड्रन एंड यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग द थर्ड वन, in that case you will not be getting the benefit of 26 weeks. In that case you will be getting the old benefit of 12 weeks. That means, however, for those women who are expecting after having 2 children, that means 2 children already है, surviving children है उसके पास, after that if she is expecting the third one, in that case the facility will remain unaltered. अनऑल्टर्ड का मतलब है 2017 के अमेंडमेंट से पहले जो 12 वीक्स था उसको वही मिलेगा. एम आई क्लियर विद दिस पार्ट? सो 2017 के अमेंडमेंट में आपने क्या देखा? एक आपने देखा कि एक डेफिनेशन इंक्लूड हुआ है, वो है कमीशनिंग मदर का. दूसरा हुआ है 26 वीक्स हो गया है 12 वीक्स से हट करके. एंड जो 2 सर्वाइविंग चिल्ड्रन के बाद एक्सपेक्ट कर रही है उसको 12 वीक्स का ही बेनिफिट मिलेगा जो पहले से मिलता आ रहा है. शी विल नॉट बी गेटिंग द बेनिफिट ऑफ 26 वीक्स. अ वुमन हु लीगली अडॉप्ट्स अ चाइल्ड बिलो द एज ऑफ 3 मंथ्स. अब एडॉप्शन का भी क्लॉज इसमें ऐड हुआ है. पहले ये एडॉप्शन का क्लॉज नहीं था. ये एडॉप्शन में क्या होता है कि अगर कोई भी वुमन कोई भी चाइल्ड बिलो 3 मंथ्स अडॉप्ट करती है, या फिर कोई कमीशनिंग मदर है जो किसी और के वुम में बेबी रख करके फिर लेती है, उसको कितना मिलेगा? 12 वीक्स. तो यहाँ पे आपको अपने कंफर्टेबिलिटी के लिए बस इतना ही याद रखना है कि 26 वीक्स बिलो 2 चिल्ड्रन वाले को मिलेगा, उसके अलावा बाकी सबको 12 वीक्स मिलेगा, वेदर बी इट एडॉप्शन ऑफ द चाइल्ड, कमीशनिंग मदर और मोर देन 2 चिल्ड्रन. ठीक है. तीनों केस में कितने मिलेंगे? 12 वीक्स. और बिलो 2 चिल्ड्रन वाले को मिलेंगे 26 वीक्स. एंड अमॉन्ग 26 वीक्स 8 वीक्स बिफोर द एक्सपेक्टेड डेट, एंड बाकी का जो भी रिमेनिंग पीरियड है दैट विल बी आफ्टर द डिलीवरी. Am I clear? And in the case of 12 weeks, 6 weeks before the date of delivery. Okay? We have already done it. Now, इसमें और एक क्लॉज क्या आया? वर्क फ्रॉम होम वाला जो क्लॉज है ये भी 2017 के अमेंडमेंट में ही आया है. वर्क फ्रॉम होम का कल्चर जो है ये पहले 2017 के पहले मैटरनिटी बेनिफिट एक्ट में नहीं इंसर्ट किया गया था. अब इसमें एक और छूट मिली है वुमेन को कि अगर द वर्क द वुमेन इज डूइंग, इफ इट इज अ नेचर दैट शी कैन डू इट फ्रॉम होम. ठीक है. अगर वो काम ऐसा है जो घर से किया जा सकता है, तो इसमें क्या है कि एम्प्लॉयर के साथ बात करके ये प्रॉब्लम अगर वैसे सॉल्व हो सकती है इन द अग्रीमेंट ऑफ बोथ द पार्टीज, इट इज नॉट कंपल्सरी, ओके। ये ऐसा कंपल्सन नहीं है कि उसको वर्क फ्रॉम होम देना ही देना है, okay, there is a difference. It is not a compulsion that they will take work from home, but now they are getting the benefit of it. अगर पॉसिबल है तो वो अपने एम्प्लॉयर के साथ सेटलमेंट करके शी कैन टेक वर्क फ्रॉम होम इन द म्यूचुअल एग्रीमेंट, ओके। So in case where the nature of work assigned to a woman is of such nature that she may work from home, the employer may allow her to do so after availing of the maternity benefit for such period and on such condition as the employer and the woman may mutually agree. इसमें सारी चीजें म्यूचुअलिटी के बेसिस में है। ये क्लॉज में नथिंग इज कंपल्सरी। अगर वर्क फ्रॉम होम किया जा सकता है तो वुमेन एंड द एम्प्लॉयर बोथ ऑफ देम कैन टॉक रिगार्डिंग द टाइम पीरियड and all, and then they can mutually agree to it. So 2017 के अमेंडमेंट में एक कमीशनिंग मदर हुआ, दूसरा द लीव विथ पे का जो वीक्स है वो 12 वीक्स से 26 वीक्स हो गया है, एंड वर्क फ्रॉम होम हैज बीन एडेड टू इट, ठीक है। नाउ एक और सेक्शन इन्होंने डाला है, दैट इज इंसर्शन ऑफ न्यू सेक्शन, सेक्शन 11A। इसमें इन्होंने डाला है क्रेच फैसिलिटी विच वाज नॉट देयर बिफोर इन द मैटरनिटी बेनिफिट एक्ट, ओके। इसमें क्या है, एवरी एस्टेब्लिशमेंट हैविंग 50 और मोर एम्प्लॉयज शैल हैव द फैसिलिटी ऑफ क्रेच विद इन सच डिस्टेंस एज मे बी प्रिस्क्राइब्ड, ठीक है। ये हमने पहले पढ़ा है, बट अभी व्हेन आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग यू द अमेंडमेंट सेपरेटली, सो आई एम अगेन इंक्लूडिंग इट। क्रेच फैसिलिटी कितने में होना चाहिए, 50 और मोर एम्प्लॉयज, प्रोवाइडेड दैट द एम्प्लॉयर शैल अलाउ 4 विजिट्स अ डे। इसमें 4 विजिट उनको अलाउ करना है फॉर द नर्सिंग दिस थिंग, नर्सिंग मदर्स को आफ्टर शी जॉइन्स द ऑफिस आफ्टर द डिलीवरी पीरियड, जब वो ऑफिस ज्वाइन करती है तो उसको नर्सिंग ब्रेक मिलता है जिसमें वो 4 टाइम्स वो नर्सिंग क्रेच में जाके बच्चे को विजिट कर सकती है फॉर द फीडिंग पर्पस, ओके। प्रोवाइडेड दैट द एम्प्लॉयर शैल अलाउ 4 विजिट्स अ डे to the crèche by the woman, which shall also include the interval for rest allowed to her. I think I'm clear till here. So now coming to
Yes, ma'am.
now coming to multiple choice questions, okay. So I don't have
And in case male employees,
in case of male employees,
ma'am, in
yeah,
is
ask me.
yes.
Yeah, please ask.
In case of male employees, in case every employee is a male, then
Yeah, in that case, listen, maternity benefit is here talking about the female facilities which are given to female. So right now they have not mentioned anything for the male, okay. They have not mentioned anything in these sections. If I get any such information, then I'll share with you, okay. Right, Gaurav? Yeah.
okay, ma'am.
Okay, so now coming to multiple choice questions, okay. I don't have a poll facility here, so you just go through the question here and you can unmute or you can answer in chat also, right? My first,
26.
my first question is,
Ma'am, 12 weeks.
no, don't answer that way. Let me read out the question. If you know the answer, please don't answer right now. Let others also think, okay. What is the total period of maternity leave admissible for a woman employee having 2 or more than 2 surviving children under the provision of the Maternity Benefit Amendment Act 2017? 14 weeks, 16 weeks, 12 weeks, and 26 weeks. So what would be the answer here? Now you can answer. Yeah.
Ma'am, 12 12 weeks. weeks, ma'am.
12 weeks. Yeah. The answer here is 12. Oh my God. This is 12 weeks. The answer is not 26. The answer is 12 weeks. Let me correct it. Give me a moment. Here the answer is 12 weeks. Okay. यहाँ पे answer 26 weeks नहीं है. ठीक है? Am I clear here? Can you give me the reason why the answer is 12 weeks? Can anybody?
As ma'am, Ma'am, because having
Two,
2
two
or
or
more
two or
than.
more is
Yeah.
given.
अभी बताया था मैंने, because 2 or more is given, right? So now coming to the next question. This was the question of 2000, I think 18, December 2018 का question है ये. We say no that Maternity Benefit Act is not there in the syllabus of NET examination, but this question has come, right? Now coming to question number 2. What did I do here? मैंने क्या किया यहाँ पे? अच्छा, ये सब में annotation आ गया है. Oh shit. Just a minute. Yeah. Okay, so what is the minimum number of days a woman employee must have actually worked under the employer must have actually worked, oh my God, in the 12 months immediately preceding the date of expected delivery for becoming eligible for maternity benefit under the Maternity Benefit Act 1961? 80 days, 90 days, 120 days, and 100 days. So what would be the answer here?
Ma'am, 80 days.
80 days.
80 days, correct. The woman has to work for 80 days, right? Now coming to next question. Under the provision of the Maternity Benefit Act 1961, nursing breaks are to be provided to every woman who returns to duty after delivery of a child until the child attains the age of 18 months, 15 months, 12 months, and 24 months. Can you answer?
Ma'am,
15 months.
15 months, correct. Okay, so shall we move ahead? I think these are very simple questions, but all are past 10 years question from net examination. Okay, UGC net के past 10 years के questions है ये सारे. Okay, now coming to a woman employee is entitled to which of the following benefit under the Maternity Benefit Act 1961? Medical bonus, leave with wages for tuberculosis operations, leave for miscarriage, and nursing breaks. Option A is A and C only. Option B is B and D only. Option C is A, B, and C only. And option D is A, B, C, and D. Yeah. Anybody?
Ma'am,
D.
All of
D.
the above.
D.
A, B,
All.
C, D.
Yeah. The
All of the above.
all of the above, because you get the. Can you tell me what is the amount of the medical bonus now?
3,500.
3,500.
3,500.
Yeah. Correct. Yeah, so you already have given the answer of question number 5, but still let me read out. Under the Maternity Benefit Act 1961, a woman employee would get a medical bonus amounting to rupees 3,000, rupees 3,500, rupees 4,000, and rupees 5,000. So the answer
3,500.
here is 3,500, right? Now coming to question number 6. The Maternity Benefit Act provides the benefits to shop and commercial establishment employing a minimum of 7 persons, 8 persons, 10 persons, or 20 persons.
10.
10 persons,
10.
correct. 10 persons, right? Now coming to question number 7. The Maternity Benefit Act 1965 and the Employees State Insurance Act 1948 together can be applicable. The Maternity Benefit Act and the Employee State Insurance Act can be applicable at a time. If the Maternity Benefit Act are applicable, the Employee State Insurance Act is not applicable. None of the above.
Ma'am, C. If the
C.
Maternity Benefit Act applicable, the ESI Act not applicable.
Not applicable.
Correct. Absolutely correct. Now coming to question number 8. Which of the following statements is or are correct regarding the Maternity Benefit Amendment Act 2017? A. Pregnant women are entitled for 3 months pre-delivery and 3 months post-delivery paid leave. B. Enterprise with creche must allow to the nursing mother 6 creche visits daily. And C. Women with 2 or more surviving children gets reduced entitlements. The options are A and B, only A, only B, only C. Anybody?
Only C.
Yeah, C.
Right? So, okay, I'm explaining the options here. In the first option, they have given pregnant women are entitled for 3 months pre-delivery and 3 months. That means 3 months and 3 months is 6 months. So, are they getting only 6 months leave? 26 weeks means how many months? More than 6 months, right?
Yeah.
How many weeks? Yeah, correct. So this is gone. Number B, enterprise with creche must allow to the nursing mother 6 creche visits. How many creche visits actually they are allowed?
4.
4. So this is also gone. Now coming to C, women with 2 or more surviving children gets reduced entitlements. Yeah, of course they get the reduced entitlements because Others are getting
12.
26 weeks, but 2 or more are getting only 12 weeks, right? So here the answer is only C.
Only C.
Coming to question number 9, cancel this one, okay, by mistake. Dash means in relation to an establishment being a mine or an establishment wherein persons are employed for the exhibition of equestrian, acrobatic and other performances, the central government, and in relation to any other establishment, a state government. So the options are employer, appropriate government, establishment, none. So what would be the answer here? Very simple question.
C.
No. Here the answer is appropriate government. This is the simple definition of appropriate government. वैसे भी when you do so many acts, you are always told, इसके case में central government, in any other case state government. So appropriate government means that, right? Who is the appropriate government here? In rest of the cases, state government, and in the case of mine and in the case,
Central government.
right?
गवर्नमेंट. मैम इक्विस्टेरियन क्या होता है?
इक्विस्टेरियन ना, ये मैंने लास्ट टाइम भी बताया था. अगर इसके डिक्शनरी मीनिंग देखोगे तो इट इज लाइक द पर्सन हु आर वर्किंग विद बैकग्राउंड इन द हॉर्स का स्टेबल. हॉर्स के जो घोड़े के जो काम होते हैं ना, उसमें जो होते हैं.
ओके मैम,
ठीक
थैंक
है,
यू.
राइट. नाउ कमिंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. According to section 9A, in case of tubectomy operation, a woman shall, on production of such proof as may be prescribed, be entitled to leave with wages at the rate of maternity benefit for a period of dash immediately following the day of her tubectomy operation. 6 weeks, 2 weeks, 12 weeks, and 26 weeks. ट्यूबेक्टोमी ऑपरेशन मैंने अलग से टेबल भी बनाया था कि इन केस ऑफ मिसकैरेज हाउ मेनी वीक्स एंड इन केस ऑफ ट्यूबेक्टोमी हाउ मेनी वीक्स.
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
2 weeks, correct. So we have already done it. It's there in my slides, okay. And I think I've taken only 10 multiple choice questions for today, and these all are the most common questions which you get for your examination from Maternity Benefit Act, okay. So apart from this, this is a short glance for you all. Maternity Benefit Act is applied. This is for your quick revision. For establishment employing 10 or more employees on any day of the preceding 12 months. I think you all are clear with this. A woman must have worked in an establishment for at least 80 days in the past 12 months. Maximum period women shall be entitled to maternity benefit shall how much they get? 26 weeks, of which not more than 8 weeks shall precede the date of her expected delivery. Women having 2 or more than 2 surviving children shall be 12 weeks, of which not more than 6 weeks shall precede the date of her expected delivery. This is a quick revision for you all. Any doubts here?
Ma'am, third point.
Yeah. Maximum period a woman shall be getting the leave with wages. I have already told ना कि amendment के बाद 12 weeks से increase होके 26 weeks हो गया है. But then after that there is also one clause कि ये 26 weeks जो है, this is only for the woman who has below 2 children. That means the one who is expecting the first child or the second child, right? And in number point 3, if the woman has more than 2 surviving children, then she will not be getting the benefit of 26 weeks. She will be getting the benefit of 12 weeks. Clear? Now,
Okay, ma'am.
right? Adoption of child in case of child below 3 months. Leave with pay of 12 weeks. जो अडॉप्ट करेंगे चाइल्ड को उसको भी, और चाइल्ड अडॉप्शन का अगर मंथ्स बिलो 3 मंथ्स है तो उसको कितना मिलेगा? 12 weeks. Okay. And payment of medical bonus, already I have told you it has been increased to 3,500. इससे पहले 2,500 था. ठीक है. This is after the amendment of 2011. If you check my previous slides, you will get the answer. Miscarriage or medical examination. In the case of any miscarriage or medical examination, you will be getting the leave for 6 weeks immediately. अगर किसी का medical examination होता है या abortion या miscarriage होता है, in that case the woman will be getting the leave for 6 weeks. In the case of tubectomy operation, जो अभी मैंने question में पूछा था, in this case leave for 2 weeks. And in case of leave for illness after pregnancy, if you are giving a premature delivery, in some cases it happens the mother gives birth to a baby in 7 months or 8 months, okay. And in some cases they may get to some illness because of the miscarriage or because of the operation. उनको कुछ infection हो गया या फिर maybe कोई illness हो गया उनको. In that case, the woman will be getting the leave for extra 1 month. ठीक है, अगर कोई illness हो जाती है वुमेन को in case of premature delivery or in case of any tubectomy operation or any other case, then she will be getting a leave for 1 month provided she has to provide the proof to the company. उसने कंपनी को proof देना होगा. ठीक है, keep it in your mind, she has to give proof to the company. And nursing breaks 4 times. Okay, nursing breaks 4 times until the child is 15 months old. Am I clear here? And creche facility already discussed, where more than 50 women employees are employed. Appeal by women deprived of maternity benefit or medical bonus. मैंने कहा था ये भी I have already taught you. This is for your quick revision. If any woman does not get any medical bonus which she was entitled to, जो बेनिफिट उसको एम्प्लॉयर से मिलना था या मेडिकल बोनस मिलना था, अगर उसको ये सब नहीं मिलता है तो वो अपील कर सकती है विद इन 60 days. Penalty for contravention of the act by the employer: imprisonment which shall not be less than 3 months but which may extend to 1 year, and fine not less than 2,000 which may extend to 5,000, and penalty for obstructing inspector: imprisonment which may extend to 1 year or with fine which may extend to rupees 5,000 or with both. And with this I wind up the class of the Maternity Benefit Act. And if any doubt, we can clear anytime. You can, comment me in my YouTube channel, or you can ask me in the class itself, right? Okay. So thank you so much, everybody, for joining my
Thank you
classes.
so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, ये PDF and